everyone, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome back to Weekly Market Watch. Nifty has jumped by almost 500 points in the last 3 sessions, ending the week with some massive gains. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So Nifty has been making higher highs from the last 8 weeks now, and it did hit a fresh all-time high of nearly 24,600 levels. While heavyweight banking stocks have helped keep the index up, but the real driver was the IT sector. Volatility has eased off towards the end of the week after spiking earlier, giving the bulls more comfort to buy. We are likely to see this bullish trend to continue with targets of around 24,750 and 25,000 zones, with support of around 24,150 levels. Bank Nifty has finally broken its streak of the lower highs formation of the last 5 sessions and started the catch-up rally on Friday. It did stay afloat around 51,750 for most part of the week, but Friday's rally has boosted confidence in the banking stocks. Now the index is likely to hit 53,500 and then 54,000 marks, with a strong support at 51,750. Now sectors to watch out: IT has been stealing the spotlight as we head into the weekend and is expected to keep performing well. Watch out for some of the heavyweight and the mid-cap IT stocks. Also, keep an eye on the power and finance stocks, along with some selective cement and banking space stocks. Now, this is it for this week. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.